My name is Latina Webb and welcome to Let's Get to Cookin'. Today we're going to learn a quick tip. You buy infused olive oil at the market or your local grocery store. It costs a little bit extra, but you really don't need to buy it. You can make it yourself. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Today we're going to learn how to infuse olive oil. We're going to infuse our olive oil with a little bit of fresh garlic, but you can also use dried or fresh herbs and also chilies. So you just get a couple cloves of garlic here. I'm just going to grab one here. You're going to take the flat end side of your knife and you're going to give it a good pound, smash it. And that way you open the garlic a little bit and as well as take the skin off. And then you're going to get some olive oil in a little bowl. As you can see, I've already put some in there. And you're just going to pop the smashed garlic in there and let it infuse for about 15 minutes for your night of cooking. Or you can let it sit for a couple days and use it within the week. And you do the same with your fresh herbs or your chilies or dried herbs if you have. Thank you for watching. This is Latina Webb, and I'll see you next time on Let's Get to Cookin'.
I'm singer-songwriter Latina Webb, and you may have heard me on stage with some of your favorite artists. When I'm not on tour, I love to cook. Join me while I share with a few friends healthy options for some familiar favorites. Maybe add a little something new to your home kitchen from my new show at letsgettocookin.la.